How to install a Cleverseal Door Dam. Installing Cleverseal Door Dam to your flat concrete floor will assist to prevent leaves, water and other debris blowing under the closed garage door. Before continuing, please read the following message. Your door dam kit will consist of these basic items: knock-in fixings, straight joiner fixings, yellow trip safety insert, door dam with PVC cup seals. Here are a few tools needed: tape measure, choice of markers, cordless drill with 6.5mm drill bit, a number 2 Phillips bit and a 3mm drill bit, a drop saw, a hammer, a rubber mallet, a silicone gun, a masonry drill bit, a flat punch, and a 10mm drill bit. Step 1. Measuring, cutting and positioning your door dam for installation. If you have a chalk line, using this to mark a minimum of 50mm gap from your garage door track, otherwise a tape measure will do. With your first piece of door dam on the floor, measure the next length of door dam to cut. We recommend a 3mm gap off the wall at each end. Measure and mark the second piece of door dam and cut at the marked point using the drop saw. Cut any excess cup seals at either end. Do not stretch the cup seals out. Step 2. Marking and pre-drilling. The fixing holes should be 100mm in from each end and then the centres of no more than 350mm. Change the drill bit to the 10mm bit size. Drill a sealant hole 30mm in from each end and each length of door dam. Place your first length of door dam on the floor in the correct position and pre-drill holes into the floor using your door dam as a guide. Then move aside your door dam and drill the remaining depth for your fixings. Remove any dust and check each hole depth using one of your fixings on all the holes. Step 3. Fixing your door dam to the floor. Place the door dam in the marked position, insert the fixings one at a time and working away from the wall. Tap each fixings into place with a hammer and complete the fixing in place with a flat punch, taking care not to strike and damage the door dam with the hammer. At the first hole at the wall end, apply a small amount of silicone sealant to seal the 3mm gap between the wall and the door dam. Then again at the join. Wipe away any excess with a rag or a cloth. Attach the joiner plate by using the 3mm drill to drill holes into the door dam and then screw into place. Position the longer piece of yellow visibility strip into the shorter length of door dam and tap into place with a rubber mallet or a hammer with a piece of timber as protection. Once in place, measure the remaining length of yellow strip and cut to length to fit the remaining door dam. Your Cleverseal Door Dam is now installed and will assist with keeping your garage clean and tidy from flash flooding and debris. Contact us for more information or go to our website for more helpful tips and other products to seal your garage.